After years of research and development and listening to customers' feedback, we are proud to introduce the next generation in router tables. The Infiniti Professional Router Table package includes everything you need to get routing and can be dressed up to suit your specific needs by adding our exclusive accessories. A great system starts with a solid foundation. The RTP 103 package includes an Infiniti heavy-duty tool stand which is fully height adjustable from 22 1/4 to 43 3/4 inches tall. It's made of a combination of 2 and 3 millimeter thick steel that is powder coated, making it arguably the most durable, adjustable, and we think the best looking stand on the market. It includes a set of 2-inch diameter heavy-duty leveling feet and stainless steel hardware standard. The Infiniti Professional Router Tabletop is unlike any other on the market. It's made from 1-inch thick, void-free exterior grade Baltic birch plywood and has a laminated surface both top and bottom to prevent any chance of warping during seasonal moisture changes. The microdot top surface reduces friction so even the largest and heaviest workpieces glide easily through the cut. Each top is CNC machined to accept a standard 9 1/4 by 11 3/4 inch router lift or plate. We go the extra mile to pre-drill and install threaded inserts so you can bolt an Infiniti mini power feeder to the table. This makes it extremely easy to install or remove the feeder whenever needed. We also install a combination mini and miter T-tracks so you can use accessories like feather boards and miter gauges. A pair of T-tracks are installed on 17-inch centers for mounting a professional router table fence. Each track terminates with a dust relief hole so they won't clog up with sawdust and restrict fence adjustments. The Infiniti stainless steel insert ring is laser cut and acts as a washer to support the weight of your router. It provides a solid surface for the leveling set screws to bear against. The ring ensures that, once level, the router will never need to be readjusted, eliminating a chronic problem with most other router tabletops. The Infiniti router plate measures 9 1/4 by 11 3/4 of an inch. It's designed specifically to work with Triton routers. The plate is made of 3/8 inch thick 6000 series aluminum that is CNC machined to be perfectly flat and hard anodized for durability. Each plate is laser marked with a pair of 4-inch long fence alignment scales, making it very easy to position the fence exactly where you need it. The plate comes with stainless steel leveling set screws, stainless steel corner locking screws that lock the plate to the router tabletop, a stainless steel pin, 3 tab lock style reducing rings, and a reducing wrench. A powerful 3 1/4 horsepower Triton router is unique because it does not require a dedicated router lift. Triton set out to design a router perfectly suited for use in a router table with a built-in lift mechanism. The included crank arm slides through a hole in the Infiniti plate for above-the-table bit height adjustments. The router also has a built-in Collet Lock that allows for 1-wrench bit changes above the table surface. And the router includes both 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collets. The Infiniti Prtf 200 Professional Router Table Fence is an integral part of our router table. At its core is the massive 3 3/16 inch by 3 3/16 inch single-piece anodized heavy-walled aluminum extrusion. The design improves dust collection, squareness to the table, and simplifies setup. We also leverage the unique single extrusion design to create a hollow cavity through which dust and debris is managed. The enclosed chamber builds stronger vacuum pressure than fences with the collection directly behind the bit. The result is efficient dust collection, which makes for safer routing. Instead of inferior MDF, our fence includes 3/4 inch thick microdot plycore fence faces. The extra lubricity of the microdot faces allows your workpiece to glide effortlessly. This, combined with the flat and stable plywood core, will provide years of trouble-free service. The top rail extrusions come with 2 17 1/2 inch standard and metric rules and have built-in 1/4 20T tracks that work with any compatible featherboards, hold-downs, or accessories, including the Infiniti router fence flip stop. Securing the fence is easy with extra tall locking knobs that make busted knuckles a thing of the past. Add our exclusive accessories to customize your router table to your specific needs. Purchase our router table extension wings to double the size of your router table, giving you a full 63-inch long top and over 10 square feet of board surface to support long or heavy workpieces. When not needed, the wings fold down and out of the way so they don't take up any additional shop space. The tops of the wings are made from the same 1-inch thick plycore material with microdot surface as our router table tops. The unique folding support brackets are made from heavy 2mm thick powder-coated steel and are designed to bolt directly to the Infiniti heavy-duty tool stand. We also have shelf brackets that bolt onto the stand. The brackets will accept a shelf 22 inches wide by 21 inches deep and up to 3/4 of an inch thick, allowing you to create a large pull-out shelf for router bits, accessories, or whatever else you need to store. You might also want to add one of our router accessory packages. RTP 115 includes a dust collection kit specifically designed for the Triton Router. It collects dust below the table and at the fence. RTP 115 also includes a safety on-off switch with mounting bracket that mounts directly to the heavy-duty tool stand. Finally, we've included an Infiniti router fence flip stop, perfect whenever you need to make clean stop cuts. RTP 116 ups the ante even further on dust collection. It includes everything in RTP 115, but swaps the standard dust collection kit with the Infiniti Tools Router Dust Cube. The time we spent developing the Router Dust Cube paid off with the most efficient dust box we've ever used. If you've had much experience with other dust boxes, you know that the dust that goes in rarely makes it to the dust collector. Those designs are typically little more than storage containers for you to fill up with chips and sawdust. They may help keep debris from spreading around the shop, but they need to be regularly cleaned out. Not so with the Dust Cube. The key is our smart Baffle technology that directs both the chips and the airflow to the suction point of your collector. Seldom will you find much dust in this box. A major letdown if you love redundant cleaning tasks, but fantastic if you'd rather your dust collection system grab everything the first time around. To make your router table mobile, add our heavy-duty double locking casters. They roll easily over rough or sawdust-covered surfaces. Each set supports up to 700 pounds and has a foot pedal that locks both the rolling and the swiveling functions, so you don't have to sacrifice stability for mobility. The Infiniti Tools Mini Power Feeder will turn your router into a production workhorse and make it safer and more enjoyable to use. Perfectly sized, it bolts directly to the Infiniti router tabletop. This feeder keeps your hands safely away from the cutter and provides a consistent feed rate to eliminate burn marks, kickback, and ensures beautiful, consistent results when making everything from cabinet doors to crown moldings.